Hello, everybody. Welcome to TechSpark. We are back again with another video, and in this video, my topic is going to be about gaming. I was just playing this game, Free Fire, and suddenly, in the evening hours, I just noticed I cannot open the game, and it's saying that the server for your region is currently unavailable. Let me show you guys. After I open this game and the loading is done, I click on the start game and a dialog box appears and it shows the server for your region is currently unavailable. It's totally okay, it's not a problem with your internet or anything. You don't have to update the app. It's just like a maintenance break. For example, in Clash of Clans, you have a maintenance break, and for some time you cannot open the game and you just can't play anything. It's same as that. There is nothing like any problem in this. It's totally okay. You just have to wait for some time until it is solved. I think there will be new fixes and some optimizations and some new things will be. I hope so. There's no need of any hesitation or something like that. It's totally okay. I hope you like this video, and thanks a lot for watching. Thank you guys, and please subscribe to my channel for tutorials, gaming, hacking, and reviews also soon coming. Thank you guys. Peace out.